Dear student, today we will talk about the probability density of a system. What is the mean of probability density? The probability density, a term which includes the total probability of a system to find in between two interval or two boundaries. Here it is given that there is a function. We can say that here it is taken as p dv into psi square dv, where p dv is the probability density of a system, and here psi is wave functions of a system, and dv equal to the volume. Volume means that the take amount of volume which are you taken under circumstance to find probability density. For example, I would like to say that there is a particle in a box. I would like to say that there is a particles on this line. Line start from 0 to 5 meters long. Here we will take this point A and this is point B. Then what is the probability of finding a particles at here, which is x equal to 2? Then we know very well that there must be a particle between 0 to 5 meter. Then what must be the probability of particle lying between this interval is, in term of probability, equal to 2 upon 5. This is called the probability of particles to find in interval 0 to 2. If we are talking about what is the probability of find a particles between 0 to 5, then 5 minus 0 upon 5 equal to 1. Mean of 1 is that there is 100% particle must lie between 0 to 5, as we say earlier. This is called probability density. In quantum mechanics, here psi is a function which include the information of system, so there must be a probability of system for a particular quantity. What may be the probability? The probability of particle lying between the coordinate, probability of particle to have any momentum. So this is given by system, and this is called probability density. The density means that probability per unit volume. Here if I would like to say about on single axis, then probability density will be probability upon one axis, or for a 3D system, then 8 parameter converts into probability density. So this is much play important role in quantum mechanics to explain, to exact I mean to say that approximate or nothing but exact position of a particles with following by Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Here we know that P was probability of finding of particles and dV is the volume interval. Then in expression term it is write down as integral P dV equal to mean of that the probability density of particles psi xyz. Psi xyz means there is psi is a wave function which has coordinate x, y, z. Here is one is given very important thing that here we taken the absolute or of psi. The means of that the psi contain the two value, positive and negative. Here we are not talking about the positive and negative. It is senseless to talk about positive and negative value. Here we will say that it is imaginary or non-imaginary. So psi is written as psi star xyz and psi xyz. Psi star is a normalized wave function to psi, and by multiplying two functions we have a finite integrals. After that integral we will have the probability density of a system. This is called probability density. So there is a limitation of systems that psi is, as we know that psi is represent the position of a particle or system, then it must be the continuous derivative and single valued functions because it restricts us, and it must be the its derivative must be continuous. In next video we will discuss about what is the Heisenberg uncertainty principle and how we can understand on the basic of quantum mechanics. Thanks.